Hi, I'm Harry Logan from Remax Executives Realty in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Oftentimes I get questions from folks who are being transferred to Manitoba or Winnipeg asking about flooding. They're concerned that they watch the news, they hear that there's flooding in Manitoba. They're concerned that if they buy a home in Winnipeg, they're going to have to deal with flooding issues. Behind me, you're going to see a sign for the Red River Floodway. And this floodway actually goes all the way over, and if you can see where that flashing red light is over there, that flashing red light is actually the gates for the floodway. So what they do is they raise the gates, and it's actually like a barrier. It sort of prevents the floodwaters from coming up the Red River through the city of Winnipeg. It actually diverts it along this floodway, which actually we're at the southern end of the city right now. It diverts it through this floodway, which goes around the east side of the city, up along the eastern edge of the city, around the perimeter highway, up along the northern edge of the city, and it diverts it back into the Red River itself. So it's an amazing feat of engineering. It was done, I believe, in the 60s. And I was reading this morning, actually, that they said after the Panama Canal, it's the second largest man-made earth-moving project in engineering history. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but it's a significant piece of engineering, and it's designed to protect the citizens of Winnipeg. Okay, so here we are at the gates. This is where there's floodgates underneath this bridge that rise up from the riverbed, and it blocks the river water. You'll notice here the water is quite high compared to this side of the bridge. So that's looking north. So the city of Winnipeg is just beyond this area. There's about, I don't know, 750,000 people or so on that side of the diversion who very much appreciate the engineering that gone on here. So the water gets diverted, or pushed back, dammed back, I guess, and it goes back to, you can see the inlet to the floodway there, which then goes around the city like we talked about. So if you ever are thinking about buying a house in Winnipeg, you can rest assured that there is some pretty serious protection for you and your family and your home. So that's the floodway. I'm Harry Logan from Remax Executives Realty. If you've got any questions about the Winnipeg real estate market, the floodway, anything, if I can be of service in any way and any time, please do not hesitate to call. Thanks very much and have a great day.